Hello, welcome to my channel Romiya. Uh, Today I want to share my uh, beauty of hair, not hair falls and others. Um, Beautiful hair is a dream for each and every woman. Uh, I maintain my hair obviously always, and few reasons behind my long and beautiful hair. Few reasons. Always I'm maintaining few things. Always, okay. So, how to maintain? It's a small thing, but a big difference. A little small thing, not a big, but difference is big. Okay. Mm, how to your or our or my hair is shiny or long or thick, etc. If you want to look like mine, so maintain it. Let's be sure. Within a few minutes, you will get shiny hair. But how? Very simple. It's the aloe vera. It's the raw aloe vera. You can see the juice. It's the aloe vera juice. Okay. Firstly, especially in winter season, take it just few aloe vera juice like this, like this, green color. Okay. If your hair is long, take it more. If your hair is short hair, you will get just little bit. This is the gel. Okay. This is the gel. See the gel. Next, take this capsule. This is a vitamin capsule. It's a vitamin E capsule. This is 400 and this is 600. Both are available in our market. Any medicine shop will get it from there. Anything, you can use anything. Or you can use this beauty capsule. Like this. Okay. But those are edible. And this one not for edible. Only for external use. We have to conscious. Is this for only beauty capsule, not taken or not swallow? It is medicine. It's edible. Okay. Then you can take any capsule. Right now I'm taking this one. Okay. Just cut it. Mix it. Just mix it. Okay. Just a little bit, not more. Aloe vera juice and vitamin E capsules or beauty capsule. Okay, just will you change color? It should be whitish. Then you can put it on your not scalp. Don't put it on your scalp. Just put it on the hair only. Just this way. Just this way. Starting from my hair. This way. But don't put it on the scalp. Okay. Starting not top to bottom, starting from bottom to top. From bottom to top. Not top to bottom, bottom to top. This is the formula of the use. gradually on the hair. Okay, so thanks for watching. Namaste to all.